Hey, it's chicken Parmesan in the air fryer day today. Doesn't that look good? And all that cheese and crispy crust. It's me. I'm Instant Pot Dave of TheWildWaynes. Just about to dig into this beautiful piece of chicken. Oh man, crunch and chewy, tender, delicious, and juicy. All right, Parmesan cheese time. Let's grate that Parmesan cheese. Mozzarella, it's an important key of this. Plenty of mozzarella cheese as well. Alright, we're gonna stack up some Parmesan cheese, and then we'll put in our flour. We'll add some salt to that and some pepper to that. Let's see, our mountain of flour looks delicious and beautiful. Spread it around after we mix it up very well. We want that flavor well distributed. 3 eggs. We're gonna stir up real well. Take ourselves over to our breadcrumbs. We'll do a half Parmesan and plain breadcrumbs. Don't want to add too much flavor. That's going to take away our Parmesan. And we'll mix it up. Shake up the plate, level it off a little bit. And now we have our boneless, skinless chicken thighs, which will be delicious and tender for our Parmesan chicken. Make sure you get plenty of flour, egg, and breadcrumbs in all of the nooks and crannies, and shake off any extra egg or flour or breadcrumbs on it. Put that on the plate. Do all of the chicken thighs the same way. Head on over to our air fryer, where I'll preheat for 400 degrees, 5 minutes. Mix up our Parmesan and mozzarella that's left. We're going to oil our hot basket. I'm going to put some Parmesan chicken thighs into that basket without touching too much. Get plenty of airflow. Oil that up, make sure that those breadcrumbs are wet, and we're going to cook 370 degrees for 10 minutes. Take it out. Spray it a couple times with oil. I'm going to use a nice thin spatula. And I do recommend a very thin spatula to help flip these over. Tongs, I think, are a little bit aggressive, and they do damage your beautiful crust. And we have our favorite marinara or pizza sauce or spaghetti sauce. Ours from Costco. It is an olive oil, basil, and garlic marinara sauce. Delicious. Now we're going to add a bunch of that mixed up mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. We're going to pile it up real high. It's going to melt and cover up that chicken. I'm going to throw that back in the air fryer for 5 more minutes at 370 degrees. Oh boy, doesn't that look good. Perfect little chicken Parmesans. Check that out. Crispy crust, chewy cheese, delicious marinara. Got some noodled zucchinis with garlic, salt, and pepper on it. Crunch, crunch. Delicious. Now you guys, you could use chicken breast if you like. Just cut your time down. Do a chicken breast in about 7 or 8 minutes, depending on how big it was. But I would recommend using chicken thighs. They are delicious and incredibly flavorful. And I do like that air fryer. Gets that cheese nice and melty and gooey and crispy on top. Makes a big difference. I'm madly in love with our air fryer. You guys, I wish you guys could taste this right now. I want to taste it right now too. Oh boy. Sure hope you guys make this. I'm in love. Okay, you guys, do me a favor. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel here and hit the bell. Make sure you get notified when we get you a new video out there. I will do my very best to give you the best video entertainment possible and a sweet recipe. And we do have a link to this recipe in this video's description. Click on it, it'll take you to our website and directly to this recipe. Go ahead and write it down, print it off, study it, do whatever you need to do. But I recommend taking a look at it and keeping it forever, and making it, I hope. Thank you, everybody. We'll have to do this again sometime. Bye-bye.
Wow!